Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix update shipping contact Apple Pay. So first of all, go ahead to your browser and basically go to the settings app and then wallet and Apple Pay, transaction, and then default shipping address and make changes. In the iPhone, wallet app, tap card, payment method, tap the more button, three dot circle in the upper right corner, card details, billing address, and you will need to change all the payment methods eventually. So you can see right here, so you can understand more, so you can add the billing address in the future. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.